the night.
Hey guys, today we're doing the watermelon challenge where you have to put rubber bands on it until it explodes, I guess. So I guess let's get started and commence time lapse, Gavin. Okay.
Take me to church, showers like a dog at the shrine of your life. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that death instead of the cup. Let me give you my life.
From here on earth, please hear my verse. Cause yeah, they said it, but I said it first. So in a sense, I gave these niggas birth. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the perks. If y'all got the shovel, then I got the dirt. Cause burying rappers what I mean when I say take them to church. Oh man, I'm back with more bars. Yo, girlfriend on my scorecard. Opportunity Knoxville, someone please tell me where the doors are. Before I trample it, nigga, somebody better answer this, nigga. If you ain't never heard of me, I'm about to show you what the motherfucking anthem is, nigga. Diamonds and treasure, that don't bring me no pleasure. Every day I just wake up saying I could do better. Trying to find me a girl to put her hands in the holes of my sweater. And truth be told, I just pray that this moment lasts me forever. I said
Showers like a dog at the shrine of your life.
Like him on.
Oh my gosh.
We need a few more.
Everything.
We might want your camera too.
Yeah,
Watch
I
out.
might need your phone too.
Boy, you funny.
We're being for real. We're about to be funny when we drop kick you.
Shut up.
baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the perks. If y'all got the shovel, then I got the dirt. Cause burying rappers what I mean when I say take them to church. And I'm all influential cause I'm somewhat anti-governmental. When I feel like all I need is God, I don't really give a fuck if I offend you. I don't really think you know what I've been through, but it's something I'd rather not get into. Cause I can't put my life inside a pencil when it's something I'd rather not pretend to be able to do when I ate full of shrooms. Couldn't paint what I paint when the bass goes boom and the lights go low when they call it magic.
Bro, your hands are wet.
I didn't see it.
I dropped your phone. And it's still recording.
What was that?
Oh, my phone.
Dude, that was like a weird ball thing.
Where's the band?
I didn't see it.
I dropped your phone. And it's still recording. Oh, my phone.
Where's the bands? Where are the bands?
On my pants. on his pants.
Where's the bands?
On his pants and shirt.
Where?
Where'd they go?
You're in the way of the camera, Jaden.
Move,
Yes, move.
Bruh,
The camera's right there.
I was paying attention to your phone. My phone was just laying in the stuff.
Yeah, I know. I saw your phone, but I cared more about mine.
Okay.
This is good.
Where's your card?
Dirty hands don't care. I don't know whose hands are dirty, whose are not.
Looks like it's right here.
That's not it. Wait, is that it?
No.
Oh. Where did
There you go, all the way. There's one rubber band right here.
Bruh. Oh, that's what I threw. I threw the ball of rubber bands to him.
Bang.